Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? My name is Debbie. Everybody calls me Cajun. I'm Diamond Painting Cajun on YouTube. I have a TikTok and my Facebook group is Diamond Painting Cajun and my TikTok's Diamond Painting Cajun. So, how is everyone doing? I haven't seen everyone in forever. I miss you guys. I didn't do a video on Sunday, a live. I did not do a live on Sunday. I'm sorry, y'all. I have a lot going on. Everybody knows I'm making cups, so I'm concentrating on that. I'm trying to do a good job, so I'm really concentrating on, what I'm doing. Anyway, I have a PR package from One Day Saving, and I'm going to show y'all that, and I'll return with another video as well. I did open the package, and I'm gonna take everything out. So good to see y'all. Y'all notice I have new hair. We're gonna discuss all this in the second video. Okay, first I got a 5-placer. It's silver. I'm not sure. It's silver. I don't know what it's made of. But on their site, I'm gonna link everything in the description portion of this video. And I want to thank One Day Saving for sending me these items for review. I really appreciate y'all. So, like I said, it's a 5-placer. And on their site, as of right now, it's $2.36. Like I said, I'll link everything in this video in the description portion. And if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. And welcome to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. And if you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate y'all too. Y'all know I do. And if I can get this open, the struggle is real. I'm like Diamond Painting with Jack. I'm on the struggle bus. And Diamond Grandma, I'm on the struggle bus. Good Lord, I'm gonna have to cut it. With my scissors. All right, y'all, we just gonna cut it because I'm not even struggling with this hot mess. Okay, so this is a 5-placer, and it's pretty thin. I mean, from what I can see, and it's not even silver, it's gold. Hello. It's gold, y'all. It's gold. That's how much I can see. It's a gold 5-placer for your diamond painting pen. You put it on your pen, and y'all know how it goes. It places 5 diamonds at a time, 5 drills. So that's that. I don't want to lose it. And then, y'all, it's so cute. I have not done one of these, but I want to complete one of these because I thought it was so cute. I just never completed one before. So this diamond painting comes with a boat, a pen, and a plate of wax, as y'all know. And it comes with round drills, and it's an 18 by 18 centimeter, and it is an owl. Look how cute. It's all glass. It's all not glass. These crystal drills, whatever you call them. You know what they are. I'm lost. It's called crystal drills on the website. And this diamond painting is crystal rhinestones. This diamond painting is probably resin. I'm not sure. But this diamond painting was $3.56. Y'all, look how cute this is. It is a 18 by 18 centimeter, and like I said, it has crystal drills. It's full of, look those colors of those drills. Look how cute. Y'all, this is going to be so cute. I really want to complete this one because it's a small project, and that's just what I need right now is a small project. I got burnt out on the Coral Castle. That's why I quit for a little while. I had a lot going on. So anyway, that's that. And the drill field is clear, as y'all can see. It's very clear. And I'm going to show y'all the stickiness. Pretty sure it's good. Stickiness is good. I love it. I think it's so cute. It has a lot of pinks and has pinks and reds and blues and all that. It's so cute. I'm gonna show y'all the actual drills. Let me get this straight here. Yes, look at those colors. Look how cute it is. I really want to do this one because I haven't completed. I think the satisfaction of a completion would do me some good right now. And I'm gonna show y'all the drills because they don't have that many. So look how pretty. They have red, pink, whatever color this is. Let me turn it around. Those are so cute. Love them. Look how cute. The colors are so cute. They even have the clear ones. I do want to do this one because it's little and I've never actually completed a crystal drill one before. And I saw it and I thought it would be so cute for completion. And quick too, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. So like I said, it's really cute. It's only 18 by 18 centimeters and it's $3.56 on their website. And I will link that in the description portion of this video. Okay, next we have Lord, if I can get this up. Lord, y'all know. I'm on the struggle bus. For real. Lord have mercy. Oh, okay. So, this is also a round drill. It also comes with a plate of wax, a boat, and a one placer. And you can add a multi-placer on the other side. This is a round drill, like I said. Let me kind of roll it this way because it's tending to, it don't want to stay right. Okay. So this one has 23 colors. It has a legend on the left top and the bottom right, and it's dragonflies. Look at these dragonflies. It is a 30 by 40 centimeter. That's the thumbnail. Look at the dragonflies. Oh my goodness. Look how cute this is. The drill field is clear. Look at those pretty blues. I love it. I love it. And this one on the website is $5.99. And like I said, it has 23 colors. A lot of blues, as you can see from the color match down here. It does have the DMC codes on the side. Y'all, look how cute this is. So cute. I love it. I love it. And we're going to check the stickiness. It is a round drill. It's a full round drill. The stickiness is good. And like I said, it is a full round drill. It's a 30 by 40 centimeter. Y'all, this is going to be cute completed too. And I'm going to show y'all the drills before I show y'all the other one. Okay, I'm not going to take the drills out. These do not come in pre-bag zippies. They come in these bags right here. And these are the colors. Some of the colors. There's some pretty colors. Excuse me. Y'all can see these. They have light blues, dark blues. They have yellows. Greens. grays, and then some like mustard color. Yeah, so those are the drills. Some of these, look at those colors. Those are cute. Some pretty colors. And I'm going to show y'all the painting again. Y'all, look how pretty. These really are pretty. I love it. As y'all can see, the drill field is clear. Oh, God. Sorry, I don't know what fell. Yeah, so this is going to be a really cute project to do. And then I'm going to show y'all the owl again. This is the drills for the owl. And this is the owl. It's also round, but these are crystal rhinestones. This is going to be so cute. I really want to work on this. So cute. And then the 5-placer. Put this on the end of your pen and diamond paint away. You can put five drills in here. So yeah, these are the things I got from One Day Saving. And like I said, everything will be linked in the description portion of this video. I know this video was quick, but this is all I have. And it's so good to see y'all. And thank you again to One Day Saving for providing me with these products for review. I really appreciate it. And for all of you guys that want to purchase these or go look at these, go check out their website. They do have a lot of diamond paintings, and they have a lot of craft stuff. They have diamond paintings. They have diamond painting pins. They have placers. They have I think they have cross stitching, and so they have a lot of different varieties. So y'all go check them out. And like I said, they'll be in the description portion of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.